Welcome back to another video. I wanted to share this with you guys because the car is finally back and we are in a full tilt foot race all the way to Camaro Nationals in Oshawa, the GM power plant where all the 510 Camaros were built, next weekend. So this has to go back on the car. This is the ACS Composites ZL1 for the SS front splitter that I had before. As you may notice, slightly different than I had before, slightly better than I had before, and this is only phase one. I am going to get the stage 3 side winglets. I've talked to ACS. I've got a pretty good deal with them, which I'm pretty excited about. But one concern I had with this product from day one is the fact that it's hollow. People don't know that. They get it. They're a little bit disappointed. But as you can tell, it actually does attach right to the splitter. So there is going to be a bit of an installation process, but it'll be on the car in no time. As you can tell, I get some pretty cool little wings underneath there to extract some heat, I'm assuming. Again, just more little things. So, without further ado, let's go see the car. Without further ado, my car has made its very, very triumphant return from the grave. It was at least 2 steps in, and it has come back. One thing I want to point out, I was very explicit with the body shop, don't put the vinyl back on the damn car. Don't touch it, don't look at it, don't think about it, don't let your vinyl guy touch it, don't even conceive it. This is how I picked it up about an hour and a half ago. It was a really long drive back, a lot of traffic. So, I pulled into the parking lot with my crappy Civic rental to this. This was the car. I am actually extremely shocked. Extremely surprised. And I am so freaking relieved. I was so worried I was going to hate it. Because, and a lot of people will agree, and a lot of people will disagree. This is a Camaro. This is nothing special. This is a very normal car. What makes this Camaro special is me. I am the owner. I share it. I love it. I enjoy it. I drive it. That is my special car. Aside from that, it's just a normal car at another shop and another front end put on from another collision. So it concerns me heavily when people touch my ride. So when it came to the vinyl work, I mean, as you guys seen in my other video, they royally messed up on the front rally stripes, which have now been fixed and look fantastic. Better than factory. I mean that wholeheartedly. And then they went and redid all the vinyl work here. There's no bubbles in any of it, by the way. Like, the guy actually did a really good job. The line running all the way up here is essentially perfect. He trimmed it beautifully at all the doors. He rounded off all the corners just a little bit. Like, he actually did an absolutely splendid job. The front headlights, he did a little bit differently than me. I'm assuming because he's got some actual experience at vinyl work. And I'm assuming pointed corners are a big no-no. So they are all rounded off. Rounded them off over here. They basically match the factory rally strip, which I'm actually extremely impressed with. So, all in all, he did a great job. I'm actually super impressed. I'm really pleased. Car is back. I'm gonna get the splitter on. Let's talk about that and the race to Camaro Nationals. Let the fun begin. Until next time, drive safe, take care, behave as always.